How to download old versions of apps on iPhone. Sometimes you may want to stick with a version that's more compatible with the iOS version, or avoid new features or bugs in the latest updates and save storage space or improve performances. While Apple does not officially support downloading old versions, but here are some few workarounds. So first of all you have to do is open the App Store on your iPhone and make sure that you are logged into your App Store account by Apple ID. Now, once inside the App Store, you can see your profile icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on your profile icon and navigate to your profile settings. Now, once inside your profile, you will get to see Purchase History option available there. Simply tap on the Purchase History. Since I do not have any purchase history available, so it won't be shown here. But if you have any, then it will be shown here and you can re-download it by simply tapping on the download icon available there. So as you can see, I did not have any purchase history, so I'm tapping on the apps option available out there. Inside apps, you'll get to see download icon available there. Scroll down and look for the older app version available in there. And once you find one, simply tap on the cloud download icon available right next to it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.